Welcome back to the pants folding series. I'm Tor, the folding Norwegian guy. So today I want to have a look at how to fold chinos. So yeah, let's just start out with the best fold here, and that is the file fold. So in order to file fold the chinos, you want to start by laying them down flat with the front facing up like this. And then from here we're going to split the pants in half sideways here, and we're going to fold it over from one side to the other like this. Make sure that it nicely lines up. So here you have an option. You can fold in this crotch area of the pants. If you do that, you get a smaller fold. It will be more streamlined, but you do get kind of a crease here in this the area where you fold it. Since these pants crease up slightly easy, I'm going to skip over this step, but this is one that you can do if you want to, especially if you have some pants that don't crease easily. So from here, you're just going to fold the pants over in half, top to bottom, like this. Again, want to make sure that it lines up nicely here. And then we're going to split the pants in three here, like this. And we're going to fold it down and down. So a little pro tip here is that you can make the first third that you're folding down slightly smaller than the next one. Because it kind of builds when you fold it over. I'm going to start with the top here and the bottom of the pants and fold it over like this. So that you get all this stuff together so it doesn't unravel, right? And then from here, just fold it over one more time like this. And since we made the first one slightly smaller, you can see now it lines up nice here. So you're going to take the part here with the two folds, and you're going to lift the pants up like this. And then it has some support to stand on here. If you have any folding systems like this one, I can add links if you want to buy it down below. So essentially what you're going to do is that you're going to stack them next to each other like this, and then once you get more hands together, then you can put them next to that one, and then you get kind of a system going here where it's very easy to pick them out compared to if you have them folded flat on top of each other. It can be kind of hard to dig through all the pants, right? I'm going to show you how to flat fold it as well. We can do that next. If you want step-by-step instructions, you know, with illustrations on how to do this, I'm going to make add a link here to my website. It's just search Google for fold pants organizing.tv, or you can tap the link down below. So yeah, let's move on to how to flat fold these pants.